Are you struggling to convert online shoppers into loyal customers? You're not alone. Most businesses face hurdles in the complex e-commerce landscape. The e-commerce shopping journey is filled with critical touchpoints. By understanding and optimizing each stage, you can guide potential buyers toward conversion. Imagine boosting your engagement, increasing conversion rates, and driving repeat purchases effortlessly. Here's how you do it. First, fuel your buyer awareness. Use SEO and social media advertising to ensure customers discover your brand. Next, enhance the consideration phase. Show personalized retargeting, ads and customer reviews. Finally, streamline the conversion process. Ensure your checkout is fast, clear, and offers multiple payment options. What sets you apart? While others struggle, you'll leverage actionable insights to refine your strategies and enhance customer experiences. The tools you need are here. Jungle Scout offers Keyword Scout for search trends, Product Tracker for competitor analysis, and Sales Analytics for optimizing pricing. Don't let obstacles hinder your success. Simplify product descriptions and use engaging visuals to attract customers. Highlights of unique selling points will ensure you stand out. Ready to transform your e-commerce strategy? Visit Jungle Scout today to supercharge your online sales and customer loyalty. Act now.